Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can unblock someone on the Facebook page, because sometimes we want to unblock someone on the Facebook page. So in this video I will show you how you can easily unblock someone on the Facebook page. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Facebook application, and then you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and here you will see gear options. Click on it, and then you will see the options of page setting. Click on it, then scroll down the page and you will see the options of blocking. Click on it, and here you can see my block list. So if I want to block anyone, you can see the options of unblock. So click on unblock. So you can see the options of unblock again, then click on unblock. So in this way you can unblock anyone on the Facebook page. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.